as usual.
And me, Ellie.
So we're tonight going to recreate what we did like, what, 6 years ago? Yeah, like 6 or 7 or 8 years ago.
Hi guys, it's Alyssa, and this is one of my best friends, Ellie. Hi. I'm gonna totally do.
You probably saw that video. It was a sleepover video, best friend sleepover, so we're gonna redo that today. It's gonna be super fun. And oh, by the way, we have our matching Be Kind shirts and just matching pants and matching but also unmatching slippers. They're like,
mine are sloths and hers are
so mine are foxes, and that's, yeah, so they're like matching but not matching. I don't know. By the way, I got a new fake plant. Do you like it? It makes my room look fancy. I just wake up in bed and look at it. Anyways, so I think the first thing we're gonna do is make dinner and eat it, and then a lot of other fun things. So keep watching. But I was gonna show you guys, we just finished setting up our beds. So here is Ellie's air mattress, and there's my bed. That's just regular.
So tall.
Yes, it's like so tall.
It's almost as tall
It's
as
like
your normal bed.
it's a super tall air mattress. Now we're walking down so we can go make breakfast for dinner, which is gonna be
my
good.
favorite.
Looks like you guys already have started on the bacon, some patties back there, and ooh, plain butter for dinner. That's awesome. We're getting the eggs. We get the probably most boring job of all, making the scrambled eggs.
Sounds like a fun job according to Ellie and myself.
Yeah, they're gonna be
that's
so good.
fine. Yeah, eggs are good. I guess we'll each do 2 eggs. You do like small ones.
Yeah.
Mine. I'll have
the back.
Okay, yeah, I'll have the front one. Medium. First one. Oh, it's a. Oh gosh.
This is a disaster.
Oh no, it's starting to cook. I would open it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I did it.
It was already cracked.
Oh, Ellie, you better hurry and stir yours. Well, they're looking good.
Yeah.
Maybe I should put the bacon or something.
Mine is not bad.
Maybe I shouldn't put the bacon.
Okay, I'll turn the heat down.
Oh, eggs are looking good. All right.
Whoa.
Did it look good? Oh, yes, that looks good. Good, good.
So we just added some cheese to our eggs. They look very interesting.
Earlier today, we also had a Valentine's Day party. How was it?
It was super fun.
And there's the leftover cupcakes.
So we have decided to make a smoothie for breakfast for dinner, and we're out of orange juice, so we're making our own. And it turns out really good, actually. Yes, it's way better with fresh orange juice in the smoothie than store-bought, like so much better. And I already have all the fruit in the blender. Looks pretty good so far. These oranges look pretty good. I'm also gonna add some chia seeds to the smoothie because apparently they're supposed to be healthy. Time to mix it. So it's all done. We're about to pour it. Let's see. It has pineapples, cherries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and probably pomegranate seeds, I think, in that mix. And then fresh orange juice and chia seeds. So difficult to do this.
You're surprised?
Yeah.
I caught it on accident. So Ellie and I made this heart cake,
It looks so cute
and we're
from
going to
above.
eat it. It was our first attempt at making a tier cake.
I think it turned out great.
We're using Christmas plates, don't mind that. I feel like the cake looks better from the top than from the side, but it doesn't really matter.
Let's see how we did. It looks like it's gonna be good.
Oh, so cute.
It's so cute.
It should be tasting like vanilla citrus or orange.
I could definitely smell the orange flavor. Time to try it. There's a lot of orange in it.
Yeah?
Really good.
So we're done eating the cake. It was pretty good. I don't know, but
I thought it was good.
well, it was really good. But I'm thinking of what we should do next. I don't know. Like, do you have any ideas?
I mean, we can make some TikToks.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
That could be fun.
So we have our blankets on. We're gonna scoot Ellie's bed back so we can create a dance. I'll set my phone right there. But yeah, basically we're gonna create a dance to Can Can. So we're about to make up our dance. So first you have to go. Invented our dance. Now we're going to film it.
I might need to review it. I'll just follow you. Why was this so long?
I don't know.
I think that counts
It's
as
done.
that counts as making TikToks and working out.
I know, right? That took forever. We're gonna make more. So I just finished making a million TikToks and
So-
we're like sweating and my voice is lost from like
You have to
being
verify
crazy.
TikTok to
So
see
yes,
them all, though.
at Alyssa.always and Ellie's account. What's your account name?
It's ._.just._.Ellie.
Yep, that's it. So we're gonna have that on screen or something so you can know. But follow both of us so you can see our videos. We're gonna get in the spa.
And hopefully that will cool us off.
Wait, what?
We just did all the TikToks.
Yeah, so we were getting too hot. So how's that gonna make us any more?
Oh, because I'm doing the pull punch. Don't you want to do it? Don't you want to do it with me?
Bye.
Nope.
Alyssa! Okay, now the trio, the gang, we're all going to the spa. I'm in the spa, but Ellie's polar plunging with her brothers. How is it? Oh my god.
It's not that bad.
So we just got out of the spa, and I think we're gonna make hot chocolate now.
Okay, let's pick out some cups.
It has marshmallows already.
Oh, good. I wasn't expecting that.
Now. Last time we made this, it went horribly wrong. She cooked my hot chocolate for 5 minutes and it looked very burnt. It was black. Awesome. You guys are great.
They're very strange people.
Well, our hot chocolate was really good and now we're full. So to burn off all that energy, even though it's 3 a.m., we're gonna have a dance party in the ball pit with
light up
balloons with some awesome music. So let's go. So we're about to go to bed and we're like super tired and I totally lost my voice. Yeah, it's really late. So good night. Good night. Bye.